Okay, this is part 1 of my vlog that I'm going to be doing on Winter Storm Hernando. I think it is. Winter Storm Hernando. So, and you may or may not be able to see, but the snow from the last storm, really, the snow from Winter Storm Fern that we had in late January, as well as a couple of those clipper systems that moved through in early mid-February. The snow is pretty much gone for right now, but there's more coming. There's gonna be more snow to replace it. But like I said, the snow is finally gone, but there's gonna be new snow replacing the melted snow that we had finally got rid of all the Winter Storm Fern snow and ice, and now we're waiting on Hernando. So it's just after midnight on Sunday, February 22nd. So you can still see some snow piles, but no snowpack on the ground otherwise, except for piles. So anyway, we'll see what Winter Storm Hernando holds. I'll be doing some vlog updates, especially during the height of the storm. So anyway, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in the next clip. Take care. Alright, we are officially at the onset of Winter Storm Hernando. It is currently just after 8 a.m. on Sunday, February 22nd. And I just woke up, so my voice is going to sound a little bit scratchy. It always sounds scratchy when I wake up. Right now, it's snowing and not really sticking too well yet. I mean, the grass, except for the grass, which got a new coating now. So we got a slight coating on the grass right now. But it's going to pick up throughout the day, and my area is now in a blizzard warning. I'm in a blizzard warning now, so this is my first blizzard warning in nearly 9 years. So, my first blizzard warning in nearly 9 years. So anyway, I'll add additional clips once the storm picks up, which should be this afternoon. But I'll post more when the storm is at its peak. So anyway, again, it is 8 a.m. on Sunday, February 22nd. So anyway, I'll post more later on when the storm picks up. Meanwhile, we have to wait and see how today and tonight go. So anyway, stay safe, everybody. Take care. Alright, everybody, this is JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here. The snow has picked up exponentially, and we're finally starting to see accumulations. At least a little bit, but the snow's starting to pick up. It is currently 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday, February 22nd, and the snow is picking up, but the worst is yet to come. So yeah, the snow is picking up right now. We are under a blizzard warning until 6 p.m. on Monday. So like I said, blizzard warning is in effect until 6 p.m. Monday. And schools in the region are already making plans to close tomorrow, whether it's for a snow day or virtual instruction day. Schools in my hometown are closed tomorrow for Monday, February 23rd. So, because of the storm. So, we're looking at a total of about 8 to 14 inches. I think so. Yeah, so like I said, we are under our first blizzard warning in 9 years. So, again, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and the snow is picking up. Sorry, I have the hiccups. So, anyway, that's gonna be for this update. I'll come back on again when the snow really picks up. Meanwhile, stay safe, take care. Okay, it is 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, and the snow is going to continue through tonight, and while conditions are not too bad yet, it's going to pick up as time goes on, and the snow is just finally starting to see a little bit of a coating on the roads. But the grass has about a half inch to an inch, something like that, close to an inch I think so far, and it's just going to worsen. Here we are at sundown, so because it's getting dark, it's going to be easier for snow to accumulate, even on the roadways. So it's currently 31 degrees with snow falling, and then the 28 tonight with near blizzard, if not blizzard conditions expected. So, and yeah, schools in the region are closed tomorrow, whether they're going virtual or having a snow day. So, yeah, I'm still destined to receive, I would think, 10 to 15 inches. 8 to 14 or 10 to 15, something like that. And just had a gust of wind. So, conditions are going to be worsening. Oh, here, yep. Oh, the wind is blowing snow in my face. So, yeah, right now, yeah, just as we got rid of the snow that was mostly from Winter Storm Hernando in late January, we are now dealing with another significant winter storm that could produce my second double-digit snowfall this season. So, again, it's 5 p.m. and the worst of the storm is yet to hit, but it's going to worsen as time goes on. So, anyway, I'll be back at some point once the storm really gets going, and I will see you in the next clip. Alright, it is 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday, February 22nd, 2026, and the snow is picking up in intensity. As expected, we're just about to enter our peak, the worst of the storm, so at this time travel is strongly discouraged. The road conditions are deteriorating quickly. We remain in a blizzard warning until 6 p.m. on Monday, and this is this is kind of a wet snow. The wet snow that, sticks to everything, pastes itself in everything, you can see. As temperatures are falling, we're getting more stickage. And the snow is continuing to obviously get worse. So yeah, it is, like I said, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and the worst of the storm is gonna be happening tonight, between now and Monday morning. So, yeah, so I would say we're about an inch, if not higher than an inch, on the driveway, but I believe that the grass is getting higher accumulations. So, yeah, this is a wet, heavy snow. So, yeah, this is going to continue all night and through at least Monday morning. So, like I said, we are in a blizzard warning still until 6 p.m. tomorrow, aka Monday. So, schools in the region are closed tomorrow, whether they're virtual or have a snow day. Schools in the area are closed. Schools in the region, I should say. Not just this area, but the region. What the heck happened? Okay, there we go. Sorry, I had a little snafu with the video for a sec. I'm about to conclude this part anyway, so I will have another update as the storm continues to rage on. Stay tuned for the next clip. Alright, it is currently 7:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, February 22nd, and look at those flakes, guys. Look at those flakes. Those flakes are very huge. These are very huge flakes. I mean, this is a very heavy wet snow, so I'm not surprised there's flakes that big. So, yeah, this is going to continue for several hours, it looks like, with the worst. The storm expected to be done by sunrise tomorrow, but it's still going to continue through most of the day tomorrow. So, as Winter Storm Hernando moves through and has prompted our first blizzard warning since March 14th, 2017. Yeah, these flakes are really coming down. I mean, look at these flakes. Look how big they are. These are very big flakes, guys. These are very big flakes. Yeah, the snow continues to fall and fall heavily. And unfortunately, with the heavy wet snow, there's a lot of weight with it, so I'm very concerned about losing power. But, you know, we'll see what happens. I mean, I rarely lose power. It's very rare when I lose power. And hopefully it's the case with this one. So, yeah. And like I said, I'm still under a blizzard warning until 6 p.m. tomorrow. So, yeah. So again, it is 7:20 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday, February 22nd. Under our first blizzard warning in 9 years, nearly. So, anyway, just wanted to come on with a quick update as part of this vlog, and I will see you in the next clip. Hold on. Apparently doing a siren test, I think. Yep, that is a siren test. A siren test during a big storm. During a big winter storm, no less. Well, that concludes the siren test. So, glad I got that on camera. So, anyway, I'll see you in the next clip.